Today I want to talk about the law of mirror from John's book 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. The law of mirror states that you must see value in yourself to add value to yourself. If you will place a small value on yourself, rest assured the world will not raise your price. Now, what are some of the steps to build your self-image? The first step to build your self-image is to guard your self-talk. Positive self-talk to the positive and negative self-talk to the negative. When you talk positively about yourself, that empowers you in the process, that uplifts you and prepares you for the next goal. But if you talk negative about yourself, that takes away all the positive energy stored within you and you feel demotivated. The second step is to stop comparing yourself to others. Because making comparison is an amazingly powerful attraction that is just an unneeded distraction to your own potential. When you will stop comparing yourself to others, you will be better aware of yourself, of your values, and what you aspire to do in life. The third thing that you can do to build your self-image is to move beyond your self-limiting beliefs. Now find out what kind of belief limits you. Decide how you want to feel, think, or act. Decide a phenomenon statement that controls the way you want to feel, think, or act. The fourth step of building a self-image is to add value to others. Now, there are a number of ways in which you can add value to others. Either you can share your own past experiences, your personal experiences, which can be beneficial to other people who may use them in their life, and you also get uplifted in the process. The other ways to build your self-image is to celebrate small victories in life, because when you celebrate your small victories with your loved ones, that creates a positive energy around you. You receive a lot of acknowledgements and appreciations based on your personal qualities, and that motivates you for your next goal. So, how to overcome growing pains in life? The best way to overcome the growing pains is to take out a scheduled time to write down your best personal qualities. Then review these personal qualities and add on to this once your awareness of yourself increases. Then find a place in your house where you can display these personal qualities. And the fourth step is to practice these positive self-talk narratives about yourself daily. That will empower you, that will uplift you, and will boost your morale. And the last step is to focus on others, because when we take out time to focus on other people's best personal qualities and then mentioning these personal qualities to them, we also build our self-image in the process. We also convert our limiting beliefs into empowering beliefs. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you really like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, take care, and bye.